Welcome back, everyone. I just finished building this. It was a simple build. It is a triangle shape. And I am going to get some signs put on it. But that's going to go right there. I didn't make any progress on the concrete. I have been packing kits all day long. We just keep getting orders, and so I felt like it's more important to take care of those orders than to make progress on this. So this is as far as this is where I'm at so far on this. Let's take this into the other room and at least set it on the N scale layout, and you can see where it's going to go. You know, I forgot to mention that structure is this kit right here, Dolton Spark Plugs. And it's a background kit, so the walls on the side are really thin. And so I just cut it right there on the edge of where that sign is and made this the side wall, kept a thin wall, and then just cut a back wall. But it's interesting too, notice just by changing the color, it just changes the overall look and feel of it. All right, let's go see what this looks like on the layout. Now we will get all of this concrete painted and it'll end up looking just like this. Now I have ordered some more kits from Mud Creek Models, so we'll probably put some here. And then we'll definitely put some right here. So this will get a whole concrete loading dock or pier, pier right here. I just don't know the shape of it yet because I don't know what specific buildings, but I'll probably do a combination of two more kits right here. And then we have an area over here too where we could put some. But like I said, I've placed an order through Mud Creek, so I'll be getting some more kits to work on very soon. I even ordered a long background kit that'll go right there. We have so much work to do on this layout. Please take a moment and subscribe to the channel. whether you're on a cell phone, a computer, or a television. It just takes a second to subscribe to the channel. Now, I know a lot of people have reached out and said that they didn't know how to subscribe because they watch it on their television. And it's simple. On your remote control, use your arrow, pause the video, scroll down, go over to the corner using your arrow key. Go over, you'll see a circle with my face in it. Click on that. Then it'll give you like 2 or 3 options. Click go to channel. And when you go to the channel, then you'll see there's a subscribe button that you click. Or at the end of this video, up in the corner or down in this corner, you'll see that circle again with my face. Just click on that and it's easy. Then you are subscribed and you don't miss any new videos. All right, this was a short video just because I have been packing kits. I have actually been up since 3 o'clock in the morning packing kits. Then my son got here. We were cutting parts all day and still packing kits, and we got a bunch of orders shipped out. So I am recording this on Tuesday and you'll be watching it on Wednesday. I'm sorry, I am tired. It is late at night. All right, thank you all so much for watching. I truly appreciate all of you. And I really appreciate all of my Patreon members. Your support means so much to me, and I look forward to hearing from all of my Patreon supporters every morning. I post pictures every morning on my Patreon page, and I just love hearing all the comments. If you would like to become a Patreon member, go to patreon.com/Jason Jensen Trains. All right, well, until tomorrow, stay motivated and happy modeling, everyone. That